Metal forming is becoming crucial day by day because of the quality requirement of the end users.
Across India, metal forming is entering defining phase. Since 2011, Prima Power India has worked alongside this transformation, positioning advanced sheet metal technologies with Indian manufacturing realities.
When we offer the complete production lines to our customers, the initial investment is high, but the throughput of those lines justifies the investment and the ROI is easily manageable.
With their integrated modular workflow, Prima Power India has helped manufacturers move from standalone operations to connected, future-ready productions. The journey of Prima Power began in 1977 in Italy with establishment of Prima Industries.
We started our business with manufacturing laser cutting machines, 5-axis and 2D cutting machines. And subsequently, we moved on to the sheet metal industry.
The name Prima stands for Progress in Manufacturing Automation, a vision that would go on to shape the global sheet metal industries. From laser processing to punching and bending, from stand-alone machines to flexible manufacturing systems, Prima Power has continuously pushed the boundaries of what metal forming can achieve. IMTEX Forming 2026 stands as a defining platform for India's metal forming community.
In IMTEX 2026, we are exhibiting DC Smart Panel Bender. We are also exhibiting our Assembled in India Optimo Bharat 5-axis laser cutting machine.
The future of metal forming is integrated, it's automated, and it's evolving right now.
I would love to invite you at IMTEX 2026 in our booth C101, Hall 5. Meet our product experts and witness the live demonstration of the machines we are exhibiting there. Thank you.